Guys, it's complete freak out time. I had to take off the front door to the house over there to put the cat door in, and as I did it, the paint, the veneer on both sides just peeled off because it had water damage, so I had to rebuild both sides of the front door. I'll show in a sec. And today I was going to finish it off, and I heard in my spirit the Lord say, I want you to put on the door, I am the door, and put it upside down. Let me show you what I did to the door. The door was trash. It used to be brown. And so you can see how I had to put that whole new piece on there. And I put in a little narrow door for the cat. See it? That's Bat Cat's. And the front, I had to do the same thing. It was trashed. So I was forced to rebuild the whole thing. You know, at least the bottom half of the door. Get ready. Remember what we're dealing with here? Remember the swords, the middle wall of partition, the mirror reflection, you know, there's the three crosses, there's the infinity symbol, white light turning to dark, dark turning to light. I mean, the whole thing is unbelievable. Get ready. The Lord puts it to me in my spirit. I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to do the door, and I hear, I want you to put on the door, I am the door. Put it in Hebrew. Write, I am at the top, and then the door at the bottom, and do it in Hebrew, but put the word door upside down. How wild is that? I thought, am I hearing things again? Well, here's the thing. I've learned to trust that little voice. And when he tells me to do something, it always turns out really wild, supernatural. Remind me to tell you guys about Mikey, who came from Canada, and what happened for him. Remember, Fur Elise, the song. And I'll remind you, or you guys remind me in the chat room, because this will blow your mind. So I'm here in the art gallery getting ready to do the door, and Todd calls me, and I tell him what I'm about to do, and he says, wow, I said, yeah, the Lord told me to put I am the door. And so I have it written out, I am, and I am, that's it. And then the door upside down, and that's going to go right there. So that's going to go there, and that's going to go there. Yeah, there we go. And then that's going to go there. And then Todd, I'm on the phone with Todd, and he goes, dude, I just stepped on the hallway to talk to you, and I'm looking at a door. It says emergency exit, no re-entry. That's the Lord, guys. Jesus is coming. Y'all can see what's going on. This is the front door. There's a little dog door I just put in. I use it for a cat. You can call it a cat door. And there it is. I am, that's it in Hebrew, the door. And there it is upside down. And so that's what's going on here. And I'm supposed to put the door here upside down. So this is just getting wild, folks. This is just getting so absolutely wild. Enough, I'm about to put on these marbles. And this whole bag of marbles right here is a really big bag. And when I wrote it out, I reached in and look what I pulled out. They're stuck together. And I heard put it in the middle. It's getting so wild. I talked to Todd Napier, and it's so unbelievable. He was having a conversation yesterday with someone saying, I am the door. We're at the threshold, guys. This is it. It's coming quick. Here's the door. It really kind of reminds me of Nebula from Star Trek. And anyway, that says the door right there. And that says the door. It's actually upside down, backwards. And there is I am in Hebrew. So here's what this looks like. I am the door. Just wild stuff. So anyway, yeah, the Lord told me to do. Okay, let me show you how crazy this gets. Okay, so there's the door, guys. The Lord told me to put I am at the top. That's I am. And then he told me to put the door at the bottom in Hebrew, written in Hebrew upside down. There it is. Now, isn't that interesting? He told me that after I got that doggy door installed. It's up for Batcat. So doggy door, kitty door. But let me show you something really strange. Look right there. Those are sheepskins. And I set them there because I was trying to decide if I was going to use them on the sofa or not. I had them at the other house. They were in a cabinet. And I just set them there and I hadn't decided. Look where the sheepskins are in proximity to the door. They're right in front of the door.